Good day everyone, and now we are going to present our research proposal, and we are group 2.
I am Angel Kathleen C. Bacani from Group 2.
I am Altea Gracie Jimenez from Group 2.
I'm Alan P. Palaganas from Group 2.
I'm Lorenzo B. Carrera from Group 2.
I am Carl Iverson Lambino from Group 2.
The effectiveness of JMAX Resort and Hotel in adopting the modern trends. The hospitality industry constantly evolves with modern trends. This study examines how effective the JMAX Resort and Hotel adapts to changing customer expectations and innovations. This study aims to determine how effective the JMAX Resort and Hotel adapts to these modern trends. We want to assess whether the resort has successfully implement the strategies and innovation that meet the needs and expectation of today's guests. We will examine the needs and aspects of business including customer services, technology adaptation, facilities, marketing strategies, and sustainable practices. The significance of this study is that it can help to identify the strength of JMAX Resort and Hotel as well as the areas that still need to improve. The findings may serve as a guide for the management in making better business decisions, better customer satisfaction, and increasing guest loyalty and maintaining competitiveness in the hospitality industry. Furthermore, this research will also benefit future researchers and hospitality management students by providing updated information about how resorts can respond to modern industry, and adapting that to change is no longer an option but necessity. Through this study, we hope to evaluate the effectiveness of JMAX Resort and Hotel in embracing modern trends and ensuring continuous growth and successful in hospitality industry.
Good day everyone. I am Sofia Margaret Bonza Reyes, the assistant leader of the group. So number 2, the effectiveness of service expansion at JMAX Resort and Hotel. Service expansions help hospitality businesses meet customers' needs. This study evaluates the effectiveness of JMAX Resorts and Hotels' expanded services in improving satisfaction and competitiveness. So, we chose this topic because the hospitality industry is constantly evolving, and resorts and hotels need to expand their services to meet the changing needs and expectations of customers. By studying the effectiveness of JMAX Resort and Hotels service expansions, we can determine whether these additional services improve customer satisfactions, enhance the guest experience, and strengthen the business competitiveness. The findings of this study may also provide useful recommendations for JMAX Resort and Hotels and other hospitality businesses that plan to expand their services in the future.
Good day, I am Micaela Dolimo. So for our third topic, our proposed title will be Effectiveness of JMAX Resort and Hotels Business Growth Strategies. So the background of the problem situation, business growth strategies are essential for long-term success. So this study assess the effectiveness of JMAX Resort and Hotel strategies in achieving sustainable growth and competitiveness. So we also chose this topic to see or to look at how JMAX Resort and Hotel can grow and stay successful in a highly competitive market. So it evaluates whether the hotel's current business plans are actually working to bring in more guests and secure long-term success. By looking closely at these strategies, The research aims to find the best ways for the hotel to improve, beat its competitors, and keep going safely for years to come.
I am Alexandra May Ushador. So for the conclusion, based on the findings of the study, JMAX Resorts and Hotel has shown effectiveness in adapting to modern hospitality trends, expanding its services, and implementing business growth strategies. So these efforts have contributed to improve customer satisfaction, increase competitiveness, and stronger business performance. By continuously responding to changing customer needs, enhancing its services, and applying effective growth strategies, JMAX Resort and Hotel is better positioned to achieve long-term success and maintain its competitiveness in the hospitality industry. And that's all for the conclusion.